Hey there, I'm Ubu from TechCornerTV, and today I have a different kind of gadget to review with you. It's the Hair Clipper Riwa from YouPin. It's a sub-brand of Xiaomi. Basically, this is a Xiaomi machine. It's the model RE-6305. Okay, without further delay, let's start and see what's inside of this box. Let me change to the top camera. Okay, Okay, so it has a very good presentation. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what's inside this box, this second box. Okay, so let's start by this. Okay, it seems to be a bag for carrying the hair clipper. We have here the instructions or warranty. Let me see what we have. It seems to be the warranty, but it's in Chinese. Yeah, all in Chinese. Yeah, with some instructions also. Well, this is missing. This was not supplied. It's oil for the machine lubrication, and it was not supplied, I think. I already opened to see what's in it, and I didn't see this. And okay, so we have a comb. We have a cloth, a cover, so when you are cutting the hairs will not fall over your body. Yeah. Okay, very nice. We have also a cable, a USB to proprietary plug. It doesn't have a charger. And we have here some combs, I think. Let me see. Yeah, we have a small brush for cleaning. It's a little bit, yeah. Okay, so we have 3 mils, I believe. No, this is 6 millimeters, 9 millimeters, and 3 millimeters, and 12 millimeters. 4 combs for hair cutting, and this is the Riwa. Okay, yep. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this machine looks very good. It has a premium finish. This is rubbery. It's like rubber, anti-slipping material. It has the blade, it's steel, stainless steel. The machine is also stainless steel. We have here also a pad, anti-slipping pad. Here we have the control of the height of the blade. 2 millimeters, let me change, 1 millimeter and a half millimeter, and I think we have also 1 millimeter. Okay, it's very nice. It feels good on the hand. Yeah, it will not slipper, even if it is stainless steel. With this grip, it will not slip. To turn or to power on, we just press once. We have the power indicator here, as you can see. If you press again, it will power on the turbo mode. Right here you have, I don't know if you can see, a red sign blinking. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to see, but it has here a red sign blinking, and if you press it again, it will power off. So yeah, very nice machine. Let me just take this out of the way. I had a Babliss or Baby Bliss. I don't know how to spell it correctly. It's a professional machine that is used on hair salons, and I broke one of these teeth. Yeah, it has a gap. The comb has a gap in one of these teeth, and yeah, well, we have to reuse everything we have, or we should, because of the environment and everything else. And I decided to buy a new comb. The new comb, I only found it on AliExpress and eBay, on China. Okay, but even so, I decided to order. It cost me about 7 to 80 euros. It's something like $22, $20 to $22. I waited like 4 months. It never arrived, so I got fed up and decided to order a new machine. And Xiaomi has very nice machine, very nice utilities, consumer utilities, and I went to take a look, and they have this. It's YouPin, it's a sub-brand, and with the Riwa, I don't know what is going on with the sub-brands from Xiaomi. Anyway, the point is, this machine with everything that is here, it was about 15.5 euros, and that's about $18 to $20. It depends the exchange rate and the time and the seller and everything, but for reference. And I already tested, to be honest, and well, it's not today, it's needing another cut again. But this has better performance than the machine I had before. It was a professional one, and yeah, super happy with this purchase. As I told you, only one come on the Babyliss. I was able to buy everything that is here, and I was better served. This is amazing. Okay, you have also another model. One or more, but the next model, I believe it has a ceramic blade. They tell that it's somehow better because I think it doesn't need to be sharpened and everything else, but yeah, it's more than enough. I cut the hair once per week. This is for me, and yeah, very happy with this, very happy. Well, that's it. I hope this review was useful. This is not the Space Shuttle launch, so I don't have many more things to talk about it. I will not show you cutting the hair. Well, let's keep some things private. And yeah, I have to thank you for being here and watching this review. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. Help the channel, help me to grow the channel. And please consider subscribing, and if you subscribe, please hit that bell, and I will promise that you will be the first one to be notified every time I have a new video in the channel. That's it for today. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Cheers!